Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Janus Henderson, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the Janus Henderson website URL. Wait for the page to load completely. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double-check your username for any typos. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you have entered your username and password, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your information. You will be directed to your account dashboard if your credentials are correct. If you encounter any issues, check for error messages. Confirm that your internet connection is stable. If necessary, try logging in again after a moment. Once logged in, explore the features available on your dashboard. If you need assistance, look for the support or help section. Log out securely when you have finished your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.